Okay, this is June 30th, 2023, and this is where I'm at on my 69 Dodge D100. Yes, it is a D100. You can see it's four-wheel drive, been converted to four-wheel drive. 360 V8 out of a 90 Ram Charger, mated to a 518 automatic overdrive with a 241 new process transfer case. And a Dana 44 out of 79 W150 converted to lockout hubs, disc brakes, 5x5.5 bolt pattern. That's off of like a 86 or up. All right. I have the seat installed. I'm still waiting on my instrument panel. And there's the bed. And the bumpers. Outside. Torador red is the color. Factory color. Interior from the inside. Let's see, got my headliner seat, and back to the front.